Hi everybody, I just wanted to show you my little collection of journals that I've made from doing the creative challenges that Lisa Young has done and Megan Whisner Quinlan. So I've got quite a collection building up. Obviously that was the Halloween one, and then Christmas. This was the sort of autumn fall one, and then that's ready for the lucky 6-day creative challenge. And this, I thought I would do a quick flip through of the one that's just finished, that finished on Valentine's Day, for the love of art. So there is a video of how I made this journal on my YouTube and on my Instagram TV on my Instagram page, art_journal_love. Yeah, so here we go. So this was for the first prompt, pink. I can't speak today. It's nice working in a monochromatic way. I don't often do that. I do like to use lots and lots of bold and bright colours, as you know. So yeah, it was quite nice to work that way. This one was for Love Letter, and I used these bookmarks that I made for the collage fodder challenge for the 100-day project, which was Willa Wanda's idea. Lots of people have hopped on board that particular train. So there's lots and lots of people on Instagram doing the collage fodder for 100 days. This was also another idea. This was Megan Whisner Quinlan's idea. So this is like a brown packing tape, which is, if you get it wet, it's then adhesive. You can stick it straight in. Just nice to doodle on. This is one of my favourite letter stamp sets by Darkroom Door. This was the prompt for Queen of Hearts. So I like playing with fonts as well on my pages. This was Smooch, where I did 3D lips. There is a quick tutorial for that also on my Instagram TV. Red. And Be Kind. So there we go. There is the completed book for the Creative 6-Day Challenge for the Love of Art. Thanks for watching.